Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet Amostra stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the Amostra stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I will be showing you how to make that first row into your chains on the row that I am currently working. And I have already made one chain on my hook. Into the first stitch of your row, you're going to make one single crochet. If you're working this single crochet into your chains, you're going to make it into the third chain from your hook. Make one single crochet into the next stitch. If you're working into the chains, you would skip this step, the single crochet. Chain 2. If you're working into chains, you would skip 2 chains. On this row, you can see that we have an opening right here made from a previous row. You're going to skip that opening, so you're skipping these 2 chains. Then work a single crochet into the next 2 stitches or 2 chains if you're working into them. Chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches or chains. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches or chains, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches or chains. Chain 2, skip 2, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches or chains. Chain 2. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to make 2 single crochet into the last stitch together. So 1 and 2. That's how that row is looking. And you can see that it matches that first row I made in my chains. For my second row, I have made 2 chains and I turned my work. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. Skip this second stitch completely and skip over this open space made from a previous chain 2. You're going to work a double crochet into your next stitch. And then a double crochet into the next one. Chain 2, skip over this open space from a previous chain 2, work 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip 2 chains or this open space from the 2 chains, work 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip 2 chains or this open space, 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip 2 chains or this open space, and then 1 double crochet into the last 2 stitches of your row. And that is that second row completed. You would now alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet Amostra stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.